Of course, NVIDIA is up in the pre-market. Piper today reiterates an overweight on the stock. Chip giant looking to end this slump that has sent its shares, as you know, into correction territory. Jim, you said there's been no change to broad demand at the high or the low end.
And I'm absolutely sure about that. And just the fact that Microsoft got their chips, immediately the WAGs, whoever the WAGs are, said, oh, then there must be a demand problem if they got all their chips. That's completely untrue. I do not like, as you know, Carl, an up opening. The people who bought it yesterday at 127, it will be heat-seeking missiles blasting that 133. You need a crescendo sell-off, and we did not have it yet.
You said midday yesterday you thought we might be getting there.
Well, it went 127, 128, but then it went to 130, then it right back to 128. David, there are sellers of NVIDIA because they've just decided, you know what? It cannot possibly be as good as last year. And I say it's going to be every bit as good. And at the January 6th keynote at CSS, you're going to hear things from Jensen Huang that are going to make you regret why you sold it at 127.
When you say everything will be as good, do you mean the performance of the company, or you actually believe that the stock will also have that kind of performance it did this year? Despite the last 6 months of being flat, we're still talking about a stock that's, you can see.
Well, the stock follows the performance, and the performance,
there it is.
The big problem
is 170%.
People don't remember what it was like when you went from the 386 to 486 to the Pentium. There are these gaps. There are these gaps where momentarily you're not shipping. This Blackwell turned out to be much harder to ship. That's their current chip. This was Hopper, the chips that Microsoft bought. It's not the current iteration, but they're very powerful. And I think that everyone, don't forget, Meta, which is just upgraded, or price target boost, said that Meta AI would be the most powerful. Right now, it isn't. Meta AI, I think it stops in like June 28th of 2023. But okay. The glasses that translate.
Oh, yes.
How about that?
Yes.
I have the other. I'm giving everybody the other glasses. That's my present to people. They don't watch. Nobody watches in my family, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, I got the glasses. The ones that
If you have an extra pair, let me know. The ones Joanna Stern is the reviewer at the Wall Street Journal of all these tech things, very positive about them.
I mean, the actual Ray-Bans are so cool. You can take pictures and you can talk to it. You can have a great time.
You've been critical of the information, but they do have a piece up saying that NVIDIA's cloud service could rival AWS potentially one day.
Well, I think they just kind of felt the heat of having never said a single good thing about NVIDIA during one of the greatest runs in history. Other than the fact it's bad, this or that. I mean, it's like they have a GIX on NVIDIA.
A what on NVIDIA?
A GIXA. Never mind.
Nope.
You're not either?
David looks at me.
Just like every so often he gets it when I don't.
Okay, that would be like me buying tickets to right now to the Super Bowl. No.
Oh, what jinx?
Jinx, yeah. They just say these things that are just, I mean, it's incredible. If you followed them, you really would believe that company is going the way of EV.
Imagine a world in which artificial intelligence, AI, skills boost your company's operations with previously unheard of efficiency and speed. This is not merely a fantasy. Rather, it is quickly becoming a reality. Recently, Verizon Communications Incorporated revealed a groundbreaking AI solution created in partnership with NVIDIA Corp that is sure to draw attention. This groundbreaking innovation has the ability to transform how businesses function and unleash new possibilities. Although all the specifics are still unknown, the buzz surrounding this partnership places both Verizon and NVIDIA at the forefront of technological advancement, laying the groundwork for a foresighted future in AI and connectivity. The innovative platform stack allows a multitude of AI applications to flourish smoothly over Verizon's dependable 5G private network, standing as a testament to innovation. So, what implications does this have for NVIDIA's stock? Let's explore that. But first, a big thank you to those of you who've stuck with us this far. Creating these videos takes significant effort and dedication. So if you're enjoying the content, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts on NVIDIA stock in the comments. Your support truly helps us grow. Now let's get back to the video.
Is one of the risks to the rally, again, that NVIDIA earnings disappoint inflated expectations. He says there's a 90% chance that happens, that expectations have gotten so grand that they're bound to disappoint. And that's an overall market risk. I mean, the stock has not traded well at all in the last couple of months.
So, I mean, what if I tell you that at 31 times forward earnings, perhaps NVIDIA has already priced that in? By the way, what did he say, a 90% chance?
Yeah. NVIDIA's priced in a disappointment. The stock's up 178% year to date.
I got it. And as you just mentioned, it's off. And as I just also mentioned, it's 31 times forward earnings. He might be right, but the trajectory here matters a lot. Do we really think that the next quarter, the quarter we're in right now, NVIDIA is going to disappoint with everything we're hearing about demand for the chips? I don't. However, if he's saying by the end of the year there might be disappointment, that's a long time. And perhaps I think the 90% is too high. But I'll say this, just to make sure I'm super clear, I don't think this quarter or the next quarter we're looking at a rational reason.
The announcement reveals a cutting-edge AI-powered private 5G platform stack that is referred to as plug-and-play magic for third-party developers eager to dive into the innovation sea without getting caught in the tides of future AI evolutions. As the stock market eagerly watches this story unfold, the partnership between Verizon and Nvidia opens up a new realm of possibilities for AI applications standing on the shoulders of two industry giants. In particular, the strength of this platform is its capacity to manage computationally demanding applications, such as generative AI language models, video streaming, and AR/VR improvements. The potential simplification and power that Verizon and Nvidia sought to accomplish is as varied as it is complex. For example, imagine telling Siri or Alexa about your stock market concerns and having a virtual financial advisor evaluate billions of data points in real time to give you wise counsel. To stay informed about the latest developments from Nvidia and the ever-changing stock market, consider subscribing to our investing tutorial channel. We provide daily updates on significant market shifts and key catalysts, so hit that subscribe button to ensure you never miss crucial information. We'd love to hear your thoughts on NVIDIA stock, so please share your opinions in the comments below. Now, let's dive into today's video.
NVIDIA, I tell you, it's amazing both that it's up so much this year and that all the gains happened in the first half of the year.
Yeah, it is amazing. And even more amazing that despite how much has been up, not just this past year, but over the last 10 years, it is still expected to go up next year. And if you look at what they're rolling out, they're over 50 times PE actually could be easily justified if you look at the Blackwell chip and the potential that that has. It is twice as expensive as the Hopper, but depending on who you ask, it's anywhere from 15 to 30 times faster for AI interference testing. And that's a big deal. Microsoft has already signed up to be the largest buyer along with all of the other cloud players.
Yeah, it seems like
It's ironic that we now require artificial intelligence to control our collective fixation with economic intelligence, as evidence suggests that businesses can use these. A new era of financial insights is promised by technologies, and Verizon engineers intend to unveil the answer in early 2025. This time frame is as exciting as anticipating the highly anticipated series final, which promises to wrap up all the interesting storylines for high-demand services where security, ultra-low latency, and high bandwidth are non-negotiable factors. The technical integration enables real-time AI applications. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your input helps create a more knowledgeable community where we can all learn and grow together in the world of investing. Stay up to date with the latest market trends, insights, and key updates by subscribing to Investing Tutorial. We're here to help you make smarter investment decisions and stay ahead of the curve.
To remind everybody watching right now, NVIDIA is going to become the hub of the AI ecosystem. They have very aggressive delivery schedules ahead with the Ultra version next year at Blackwell, and of course Rubin and the Ultra version of Rubin coming in 2027 after that, plus their continued growth in data centers. I wouldn't bet against NVIDIA.
Well, and of course they're comprising such a big part of the overall market as well. Charlie, I want to turn to you. Given kind of what we've seen with NVIDIA, what we've seen with chips this year, which there's no way to really describe the market action in 2024 without them, would you be rebalancing your portfolio now in anticipation of 2025? And if so, how?
Yeah, if I owned a lot of chip stocks in NVIDIA, I would absolutely be rebalancing. I mean, at this point, it is very dangerous to own stocks where they are so popular. I teach a classes at a couple of eighth grades, and the one thing that these eighth graders all want to do is own chip stocks in NVIDIA. They tend to want to own what's worked in the past and don't care a lot about valuation. I'm not saying at this point I would sell it all, but clearly there's a very high expectations in these names. We're contrarian investors. We try to buy what hasn't gone up, and clearly.
One cannot help but be convinced by the wide-ranging effects of investing in Verizon's expanding endeavors as this technical story develops. But analyst Brandon's recent downgrade of Verizon stock due to financial difficulties offers a sensible counter-narrative. The cooperative NVIDIA's evolution presents a positive image that merits careful observation. With its cutting-edge AI capabilities, Verizon is positioned at a technology crossroads that has the potential to completely transform how organizations run. Because of their AI ventures, Verizon stock is now as addictive as a well-aged wine, making it a great investment for potential investors, particularly those with a hunger for growth anchored in transformational technologies and a sharp eye for forecasting a solid trajectory. At last prepared to be as this chapter comes to an end, the crucial question is still how you see incorporating AI into your event. The future promises to be both written and built in real time by ventures using tools like Verizon. Let's see how it plays out. A journey where innovation and data combine to create limitless potential and the next great market treasure finally. If you want to see what firms like NVIDIA have been doing lately, click on the next video that appears on your screen. I hope to see you there.